So we've been out here stocking Bonneville cutthroat trout in multiple streams and lakes and ponds within the central part of the state. And one of the main goals there is just to try and reestablish or supplement populations of cutthroat to allow people the opportunity to catch these fish, in addition to some conservation purposes. These fish primarily come from Little Dell Reservoir, which is a native population of the Bonneville cutthroat. We've taken some of those eggs into the hatchery system where we're raising them on an annual basis, and we can extract eggs a lot easier, rear them, and then come out here in places like Nebo Creek, Mill Creek, Spanish Fork, all these different locations to stock these fish. And something we're doing a little bit different and a little unique this year is a couple of our biologists have done a lot of beaver restoration or artificial beaver restoration to create a little better habitat, particularly winter habitat. So we're stocking some of those fish in these locations and see how they do.
So today's a really exciting day. We're bringing native cutthroat trout and reintroducing them to this stream. And we've done a lot of stream restoration in this stream. We built man-made beaver dams, and then we came in and reintroduced beavers, which haven't been here for a long time. And it turned a tiny little stream that was little more than a trickle into what you see now, where we have deep pools where these cutthroat can survive and thrive throughout the entire year. So there haven't been beavers in this watershed potentially since the fur trade over 100 years ago. But we've reintroduced beavers and they've already started creating habitat. We've released the cutthroat trout into the ponds that they've created so they can survive through the winter. And here you can see one of the lodges they've built and the pond habitat, so pretty exciting to see.